Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we're going to show you what to do in case the camera device is missing in the device manager in Windows 10. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is go to the camera app. Simply click on the Start menu and select Settings. On the Settings window, click on Apps. This one. Then scroll down and find Camera. Here it is. Next, click on Advanced Options. On the camera settings, find and click on the Reset button. Click Reset again. This should fix the problem. Check if your camera is already in your device manager. Next, go to the Control Panel. On the search box, type in Control Panel. On the View By, select Large Icons. And then find Troubleshooting. Here it is. Click on it. Next, select Hardware and Sound. Now scroll down and select Video Playback. You need to troubleshoot on this by following the on-screen instructions. After that, do the same on Bluetooth and follow the on-screen instructions. You need to do this on Windows Store apps as well. After troubleshooting, check if your camera is already on the device manager. If it is still not showing, then proceed to the next solution. Go to the Windows settings. On the search bar, type Camera Privacy. Then click on this one, Camera Privacy Settings. Ensure that everything here is turned on and allow all apps to access your camera. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.